How to switch Uber Eats to Uber Driver. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now, first things first, you want to head over to your browser right here. It does not matter whether you're using a mobile phone or your computer. In my case, I have my browser open and you want to search for switching to driving with Uber. And you want to go ahead and click on this specific option right here, which is uber.com/switch to driving. Go ahead and open up their website, and from here you can then go ahead and click on the contact support to switch, change from delivery to driving. Go ahead and click on this option right here, and inside you then have the instruction in order to do so. I want to drive with Uber. This page is for delivering people who want to enter a new contract to begin receiving trip requests. If your driver partner who wants to switch to Uber Eats delivery, please refer to this link. Or if your delivery person who wants to switch to a new vehicle type, please refer to this link. You can just go ahead and click on this link right here, and then you have to fill out necessary information in order to switch your Uber. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.